NASA has recorded something unbelievable: the actual sound of a black hole. Yes, space isn't completely silent. Deep in the Perseus galaxy cluster, pressure waves ripple through massive clouds of gas. And when NASA converted those waves into audio, the result was terrifying. The sound is deep, rumbling, almost alive, like something ancient breathing in the dark. Scientists say it's a black hole vibrating space itself, but many listeners swear it feels like a warning or a voice from another universe. So what do you hear? A natural cosmic vibration or something far more mysterious?